Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I love pork chops. I love fried pork chops. I love them grilled. And I thought I always have them with a little bit of applesauce, and that's really good. But I thought, what if you use real apples, a little bit of seasoning such as cinnamon, sugar, put it all together, and it came out incredible. So we made these beautiful, delicious cinnamon apple pork chops. Let me walk you through this, and let's get started. So what I've got here are a couple of decent sized chops, and I'm leaving the bone in, but you can go ahead and use butterfly. And I'm going to season these up with some salt. And of course, my favorite, ground black pepper. And obviously, you know, you're going to do this on both sides. Okay, now we're going to add a good knob of butter to a preheated pan, and just kind of let this melt down. Put the pork chops in. I just love that sizzle. And we're just going to allow these to fry, well, I'd say for about 4 minutes on each side. Speaking of pork chops, why was the pig kicked out of the football game? For playing dirty. Now they're cooked up nicely. I'm just going to set these aside on a plate to rest. These look so good I could eat them right now, but I'm going to wait until I add my savory touch. So what I've got here are a couple of red delicious apples, and the rule of thumb is probably 1 apple per pork chop with this dish. And I'm just going to kind of quarter these up and then slice them into fairly thin pieces. Now these are red delicious apples. You can use Fuji. I wouldn't use Granny Smith because they're a little bit sour. And you want slices something like this. All right, now we're going to add our apples to a bowl. Now we're going to add in about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And you can add more or less depending on how sweet you want it. And about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm just going to take my wooden spoon and give this a mix until the apples are covered. This smells so good. You can use other spices here. You know, sometimes people use nutmeg, but I know a lot of people don't have it. So I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. Now in the same pan, I'm going to put in another good knob of butter and let this melt down, and we'll deglaze the pan. Add the apples in, and we're going to stir and cook these just until they're nicely tender. After about 6 minutes, the apples are nicely done. I like mine a little crispy, but if you want them a little more tender, you can leave them cook a little longer. Now I'm going to remove them from the pan and place them over the chops that have nicely rested. Smells so good. And there you have it, guys, our cinnamon apple pork chops. Incredibly delicious. Okay, let's give this a taste test and see what it's like. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. The pork is done perfectly. The bit of crunch to the apple, the cinnamon and sugar shines through. Just a perfect combination. I can't believe this is one of the most savoriest dishes I've ever had. If that's proper grammar, most savoriest? I don't know, savoriest. So give this a try. Let us know what you think. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.